Good morning, Mr. Lurkey Science Kids. Long time no see. It's been a while. Say, I just want to take you quickly through a few things here. Maybe it'll help, maybe not. First of all, you should have access to this page that was hopefully sent out by our principal or superintendent or someone like that, basically detailing how you can access all the teachers' lessons. I have looked on the website this morning. I can't find it anywhere, so I just bookmarked this page from something. I did send it out to you on Google Classroom, this link to get to this page here, so you can bookmark it if you didn't receive it any other way. Basically, click into sixth grade. Then from sixth grade, you can go to any of the sixth grade teachers you need to see. Science, Mr. Lurkey. I just want to detail a few things about science. So I have it pretty much laid out so that we have activities for the week. You can do them all at once. You can take your time doing them, whatever. As we move along through this distance learning thing, we're going to need to eventually use CK12, ReadWorks, Pearson Realize. We tried all these things in the classroom. Gizmos, Flipgrid, IXL. They added science back for us for free. So we're good to go with science again. And then, I just listed some things over here. Your textbook is hopefully home and that you have your textbook the first week. We're going to be using that textbook quite a bit, first and second week probably. And then I'll integrate some other things in there like videos and whatnot. But basically, here's how it is. I have some initial information on this front page, just basically what I'm telling you now. It takes about 40 minutes per science lesson. There's going to be an exit slip at the end of each day, and that's what I really wanted to explain to you. So basically, you go to this, scroll down, you see, okay, today's Tuesday, March 31st. I have the learning targets like I do on the smartboard in the classroom. Here's our goals for today. Here's our action steps here. First, watch this video. Click this link. Then go to your textbook and read pages 118 to 121. Now, we won't be able to read it together, but go for it. Do the best you can with the reading. Action step 3, there's an assignment on Google Classroom, just like we've always done. Open it up, titled March 31st, April 3rd. Now, the thing about that assignment is that it's, I don't think I have that one handy. Darn it. Well, I better open it up for you. Hang on. Okay. So it kind of mirrors what we've got going on here, but here's the thing. It relies on you having your textbook at home. And I did put some of the stuff in there, but also the answers are in there. So I don't want you just to go and look at the answers. I want you to read first, answer the questions in your textbook, and then check your answers. So this is the honor system here. It's not going to do you any good if you go and just fill in the answers. Okay, so basically the part I wanted to show you on here was the exit slip. So you get to the end of day 1, Tuesday, March 31st, exit slip. Basically answer these questions. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, answer those questions, very easily identified from the text. Don't submit this assignment until you get to the end of the week, and then you can submit them all at once. Okay, and basically the exit slips, you see this little sign here, keep calm and do your exit slip. That little sign there is going to tell you that it's an exit slip. Once you get all of them done for the week, you can turn your assignment in. Okay, and that's your grading for that part. Okay, back to this part. I think I have it pretty much laid out, self-explanatory for this first week. There's nothing too amazing going on. It's some work in our textbook just to get us started, just to get us to figure this out and see how you're interacting with it, check in with you at the end of the week and see how it went. That's basically what I have for you right now. Basically, when you get to here, Friday, April 3rd, stop. I'm going to then start doing the next weeks later on. I can't think of anything else right now, so I would say just get after it. Do what you can. Measure out your time. Hopefully, we can do some Zoom or Google Hangouts, Classroom Meet, stuff like that later on. I'm still also working on some way to get some hands-on science for you, even while you're at home. I don't know what that looks like yet. For now, your science might just have to be on a beautiful day like this. Go outside for half an hour and dig around under some rocks and tree limbs and see if you can find some worms or something. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there, and this is getting way too long of a video, so I got to go. All right, take care.